welcome back to my channel. My name is Janani. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made these spring floral inspired earrings. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like makeup tutorials, make sure you visit my sister's channel, which is down in the description box. Let's get started. For this project, I'm using these pastel colors which are easy themed. If you're not into making handmade flowers, you can just use some old like these ones. To create these earrings, I'm gonna first start by making a polymer clay slab. This is my background color and I ran it through my pastel machine using medium thickness. To create my first flower, I'm going to be using these two pink shades. I ran them through my pastel machine using the thinnest setting. Using my X-Acto knife, I'm cutting out a shape of a tulip flower. I'm cutting two light pink ones and one dark pink one. I'm going to start by placing the pink petal first and then using my needle tool to do some scoring on it. Then on the each side of this petal, I placed a light pink one and did some scoring on them as well. I repeated making these flowers throughout my background clay. This is a very time-consuming process, so make sure you stand up, stretch, stay hydrated, Since I was working for way too long, I had my little one come and check on me. His name is Saint, so that's some doggo content for you all. Next, I got my green clay and cut up some leaf shapes and added to the bottom of my flowers. Then I used my needle tool to score a line in the middle. And next I'm gonna create very simple little purple flowers. To create these flowers, first I rolled out a really thin snake and then I cut little tiny pieces off of it and then rolled it into tiny balls. To create the petals, I pushed down and rolled on one side, creating a petal shape. Then I used the back of a paintbrush to push down on the thicker part. I used 5 of these to make the flower, and for the middle I used a little bowl of yellow clay. using the thinnest setting on my pasta machine, I rolled some yellow clay. For this one, I used the same shape as the leaf and I cut 6 of them to form a flower. Just like how the leaves were made, I used my needle tool to screw down in the middle. And for the pistil of this flower, I'm using some beige bowl of clay. Since I felt like the leaves and the yellow flowers are blending together, here I'm just giving some veins for my leaves. I'm using a dotting tool to give some texture to the background. To create more details, I am making bowls using the beige clay and texturing them using my dotting tool. And there's the polymer clay slab finish. Next, I'm going to move on to cutting my earrings. For this, I'm going to be using my homemade shapes. I made these using some plastic. This shows you that you don't need to go out and buy any cookie cutters. You can simply make it out of a cardboard box like I'm using this one. This one is cut out of a cereal box. If it's a very detailed pair of earrings, I usually like to use a solid color to create some parts of these earrings. Also, please don't throw out the leftover parts of this slab. If you just roll it into a bowl and mix it, it can give you a really nice marble effect. I went ahead and baked my earrings at 225 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. After my earrings are cooled down, I'm using my hand sander to sand off any imperfections. This sander comes with a drill bit, which is really helpful when poking holes on my earrings. After all my pieces are sanded, I use some soap water to clean my pieces. Then using this matte varnish, I am finishing off my pieces. I have added the jump rings, and now I'm going to glue my earring backs. So that marks the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys made anything using my tutorials, please don't forget to tag us on Instagram. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you later.